Hi there. Wondering how a doctor diagnoses atrial fibrillation? I am here to help you with that. Your doctor will start with screening for symptoms and risk factors. You could be dealing with fast heartbeats or fatigue, or it could just be a breathing problem. And atrial fibrillation can definitely give you that. And simple things like a previous history of heart surgery or having sleep apnea could put you at a higher risk of afib. An ECG of the heart is useful for evaluating the electrical activity of the heart and diagnosing atrial fibrillation. Your doctor may order tests to monitor the activity of your heart, even at home, with a Zio patch or a loop recorder. Afib can be detected. Have an open conversation with your doctor if you think you have atrial fibrillation. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.